Hi, I'm Sylvia Critcher and I've been working with Hilary from the Silk Route this last year. They've celebrated 21 years of being in business and being at the shows with all their wonderful silk fabrics. And to celebrate this, Hilary's asked if I would design a quilt for her. This is the one that you see behind me. She selected the colours and she said to me, I want 3 blocks. I don't mind how big it is, I don't mind what you do, but this is the colouring I would like. So it's one of those briefs that you can panic rather, because the brief is pretty open-ended. Then you hope at the end of the day the person's going to like what you produce. So I decided to work on this particular quilt that I've designed, but the design appeared at the end. I started off working on blocks. Once the blocks were assembled, then I rearranged them until I found a happy design, which this one appeared. And if you look carefully here, outline, we have a star, and because it's a little bit hazy, I thought, well, Misty Morning Star is a very good name for this. Hilary does have this for sale as a quilt pattern, and she has it as a kit, but she'll probably tell you more about that, or has told you more about it already. We do have the pattern, which is here, and then we decided we'd make cushions, because perhaps not everybody wants to make a whole quilt, but they would like areas of it. So we've subdivided the areas down and called the different names for the cushions. And the one I'm going to demonstrate for you today is Dusk to Dawn.